Good morning and once again welcome to my YouTube channel. Yes, Solid Excel International Maths by Mr. Kamoto. And in this video, I want to continue explaining binomial expansion, pure mathematics 4, and part B, which is saying that expand up to fourth term, expand up to the fourth term. This expansion of 1 over 2 plus 3x squared, and state the range of values of x for which each of these expansion is valid. First of all, we must acknowledge that the term to be expanded is at the denominator position, so we must bring it up, and it's going to be 2 plus 3x raised to power minus 2. And as it is, what we have understood in the previous example, this one is going to be a raised to power 2 rather, 2 raised to power minus 2, open bracket, 1, because we need to factor out 2, plus 3 over 2 raised to power minus 2. Of course, in this case, you can see a is equals to 2 and b itself is equals to 3. So, yes, it is now this part that we need to expand. And already before we expand, we can have the value of 2 raised to power minus 2, which is 1 over 4, open bracket, 1 plus 3 over 2, there's an x there, x raised to power minus 2. And as you can see, n itself is equals to minus 2. So let's start to just expand that part. So it's a quarter multiplying everything, which is we have now this part giving us 1 plus n, which is minus 2, x 3 x over 2 plus minus 2, that is n minus 1 is minus 3x over 2 squared over 2 factorial plus n minus 2, n minus 1, and n minus 2, 3x over 2 cubed over 3 factorial. Everything now is going to be multiplied by a quarter, so we can clean a little bit what is in the bracket and we're going to have a quarter, open bracket, 1, of course, minus 3x, because that's what we have. We open up this one, and then minus 2 times minus 3, which is positive 6, times 3, which is 18, plus 18x squared, 18x squared, and there is a over 4, because not 18. 2 times minus 3 is minus 6. Minus 3 times 9, because 3 squared is 9. This one is minus 6. Positive 6 times 9 is 54. This is 54. 54 over 4 is the square of 2 down there. This now times 1 over 2, because everything is divided by 2. And the next one is going to be plus this minus 2 times 3, which is 6, positive 6 minus 4, that is minus 24, negative 24, negative 4 times 3 cubed, which is 27, and we have this is 648x cubed, or because everything is divided by 3 factorial, so times over 6, and that is what we need to simplify further. Fine, at that particular point, we now need to clean up what here, a quarter, open bracket, 1 minus 3x. Of course, 54 divided by this is we can cancel it by 2 27, and we're going to have plus 27x squared over 4 because that was just one term, just like this one is one term. And we'll talk about 648 divided by, like we have 648 divided by 48. I don't know whether that is possible. It's going to be 27 over 2. It's simply going to be 27 over 2. So minus 27x cubed over 2. And that is now what we have. Opening the bracket, it gives the final submission as a quarter times 1 is a quarter, minus 3x over 4, opening the brackets, plus 27x squared over 16, plus 7x squared over 16, and minus 27x cubed all over 8. And that the expansion up to the fourth term. Having done that, the question of the validity, the range of values of x for which each of these expansion is valid. We had talked about 2 plus 3x raised to power minus 2. A is equals to 2, we had said there, and b is equals to 3. And it is valid when b over ax is less than 1. So what is b and what is a? It is valid when we have 3x over 2 modulus is less than 1. And this one, if we would want to make x the subject, you're going to have the modulus of x is less than 2/3. And that is just when these expansions are valid. Please note, this is a 54. This is a 54. I may want to make that correction. It's a 54 according to our expansion, and this is the final submission. So please, once again, visit my YouTube channel, Pearson and Excel International Maths by Mr. Kamoto. And of course, subscribe and share widely and talk about this channel to your friends. It's rich. It has everything you may require for your O-level and A-level mathematics examination. Fine, thank you.